nigga who get money. A young nigga who put dick inside her tongue. Told her homegirls like, this what I been wanting. We making movies when she put that pussy on me. She just want a young nigga who get money. A young nigga who put dick inside her tongue. Told her homegirls like, this what I been wanting. We making movies when she put that pussy on me. Give it up to go reviews for the night. Nice little booty, pretty face, that's what I like. She ain't never had a rich nigga in her life. Bust down your neck, shine brighter than a light. Off the shrooms, deep inside the pussy, make it hit. Glock in the fan, don't make me come up off the hip. Fall on me like 4th of July, get you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day, so make sure you guys click that notification bell after you subscribe. And also, like I said, click the thumbs up. The more thumbs up we get, the more people reach our channel, and the more things I can do to my cars because I make revenue for you. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, today is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful Monday. Tomorrow is the official day. Actually tonight, midnight-ish. Tonight, I'm definitely going to be driving down to Los Angeles. It's about a 4.5-hour drive for me. We're going to do a one-day trip. We're going to go there and come right back. We are getting the 86 first ever. Well, it's going to be the second time, but this is going to be the first ever custom AREO kit for the car. Since the car accident happened, we're about to go to Los Angeles to get the new and highly improved AREO kit. That's gonna definitely be crazy. Now I gotta go get this done. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna definitely bring this car back to light. A lot of you guys aren't ready for this. So this, like I said, this whole front is gonna be refixed. We're gonna actually bring another canard to it. I mean, we're gonna bring a whole new splitter. As you guys can see, we can bring a whole new splitter to the car. So we're gonna bring that back, and we're gonna actually get another air damp for this car. So the previous splitter that we had was a carbon fiber one, and it had like the air damp. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna not get carbon fiber this time. I do not want carbon fiber. Carbon fiber splitters are a pain in the ass to take care of. So we're definitely gonna do that. We're gonna get a whole new one. We're gonna do black, just like this one up here. I gotta clean my car. I actually about to clean my car today, so yeah, it's just been sitting here. But this material I've been having for, I think, almost 3 years now. And it's like super durable. And the way he does it, he makes it chassis mounted, as you guys can see, chassis mounted. So we're gonna use this material for the 86. And it's gonna definitely be much more reliable, especially when you drive a lot. If I would have kept the carbon fiber only if I wasn't driving that much, but now that I drive a lot, I need that black one to actually go there to be better for me to drive daily, because daily I cannot drive carbon fiber. So like I said, we're going to go black, and then we're going to be doing something super epic. We're going to be building that. He built me a custom 101 canard strictly for the 86. So what we're doing for the car, we're going to definitely be the first ever, you know what I'm saying? We already was the first one with the custom AREO kit in the back with the carbon fiber, so it's gonna be nasty once we get this done. All right, y'all, but like I was saying, we're gonna actually bring this car back to life. I haven't really brought it to a car meet. I haven't did nothing since I got the car back, but like I said, we are about to go crazy. We're about to be another 101 AREO kit, which I'm super excited, and we are going to LA. Now the goal is, once I get back from LA with this car and get the AREO kit with this, I'm still gonna be buying some shit. I gotta get carbon fiber. I'm actually thinking about going wide body kit, and I'm thinking about this super dope. So everybody go Liberty Walk, and I'm not Liberty Walk. Everybody goes like Rocket Bunny kit and all that other crap. I'm actually gonna be getting a super, and then they go Rocket Bunny, or they go a Varus kit. That's like the common thing for the 86. I'm actually going to be coming with a whole different body kit, and the one I want, I'm not gonna say. Y'all just gonna have to watch and stay tuned. But like I said, you guys have to click them damn thumbs up, all right? Because those gonna help me bring this body kit faster. But once we get this done, when we get back from LA, then the RSX, we're gonna definitely bring that to the paint shop, and it's gonna get repainted. We're gonna keep it white, and everything's gonna be repainted. Once we get it repainted, like I said, I'm gonna order a whole new body kit for the car. I mean, I might as well buy the body kit first and then get it, but fuck that. I'm about to actually just start getting this worked on now. So when I do get the body kit, then I can get the body kit painted and just put on. But for the time being, we're just gonna get this shit painted. So I wanna knock out a lot of stuff. So we're gonna get that done. And Mustang gonna be getting fixed. Everything's just gonna be getting fixed. But like I said, the main thing we're doing tomorrow, we're taking the 86 down to Los Angeles to get worked on. And yeah, everything looking good. So let's go in here. It's kind of getting hot. It is getting hot. So that is the goal for today. Well, just getting ready. While I'm doing this today, this morning, I actually took it to get vacuumed. I hate a dirty car. Everybody that know me know I keep my cars clean. Shout out to my bro down there, Down for a Solution. Big Tone, man. That's the bro. So I'm excited to get this done. And like I said, it's gonna be a long day tomorrow. It's gonna be a round trip. I'm not actually staying in LA. I'm gonna be just taking my ass right back, turning around. So it's a 4.5 hour drive one way. And yeah, so we're gonna do what we gotta do, man. Just get shit done, and get shit taken care of. And the grind never stops. But yeah, man, it's a blessing. So I'm happy to get it back. I've been loving driving it. I love driving that car. The car is so fun to drive. Oh my God, so fun. So I'm enjoying it. Literally, our house is like a dealership. Literally, we got the most latest car on the whole street. From here all the way down to the other side. But we literally have like a damn near dealership at the house. But you know, it is what it is. You work hard, you should enjoy yourself. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah. All right, you guys, it's morning time. This is the next day. So we are getting ready to do a long drive. We got about a 4.5 hour drive. So I had to top the gas off. I already put gas in yesterday, but something told me, let me just put as much gas in it, a little bit more. So I put $17 in. And earlier it was at, I spent like I put in $45 plus 15. So that's how much it cost to fill this tank up. But let me show you this right now. All right, so we're looking good right now. So we are about to leave. And yeah, just make sure everything good. Let's see what we gotta do. So my trunk kind of empty. But the only thing I don't like about road trips is that the cars get dirty. Seriously get dirty. But this is gonna be a long road trip. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna actually get ready to go as I drive, and then halfway through the driving, we'll pick up the camera where we're leaving off. But look at this, man. Gas is so expensive out here. This is one of the cheapest gas stations around me. It's $5 and it's $5.79. So it's ridiculous. But like I said, we're about to get ready to go, and this is how far of a drive we got to go, and we got to get there by 9 o'clock. So I got to get ready to go now. So I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so we still got time. Just showing you guys the drive. It's a peaceful drive, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing fancy on this long drive, but I still got some time. I started off with 4 hours and 40 minutes. Now we're down to 3 hours and 15 minutes. I gotta get there by 9 o'clock, so we got enough time. But it's just a cool little view, man. It's just a beautiful thing, man. That's one thing I like about California that you'll never get nowhere else, man. It's just the sceneries. All different areas is never the same. But it's a peace of mind, you know what I'm saying? Especially when you're driving at this time of the day. I start early in the morning so I can beat the traffic, because traffic out here in California is nuts. But yeah, for the most part, I'm excited for what we're about to do, man. It's just about to be crazy. I'm excited, like seriously. This is about to be the hardest GR86, especially that's not a wide body kit. I'm excited, man. Like the canards that we doing is a 1-to-1, so it's gonna be super aggressive. And you know, I'm so proud to be a part of Down for Solutions, man. I've been rocking with the company for years, and every car I have, he has touched. You know what I'm saying? And like we're gonna get the RSX worked on now. Once I get back home, hopefully within another 2 weeks max, we can get the RSX started to get painted on. And we're just gonna basically repaint it white, makes it cheaper for painting and you know, less work. So definitely gonna repaint it, and then also like I said, we're gonna add a body kit to the RSX. This GR86 is definitely gonna get a wide body kit sometime this year for sure. I'm waiting on a major check, so once I receive that major check, I'm definitely gonna buy a wide body kit, and I'm gonna buy a carbon fiber hood, and I'm gonna do it all at one time. So instead of just, you know, separate tires, I'm just gonna knock that out at the same time. And the body kit that I got like in mind for this car, for the GR86, is about to be crazy. That's all I can say, is crazy. And it's not gonna be the typical Varus body kit or the Rocket Bunny wide body kit that everybody do. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a crazy thing. And I'm excited for what we're about to do. And also, I've been thinking about it too. I think I said it in previous videos before. Let's turn the light on. I said it in previous videos before that I kind of wanted to get like a whole GR lineup of cars in my collection. So I've been thinking about getting rid of the Mustang and replacing it with a Supra. So that way I have the Supra and the GR86, and then the next car I get would be the GR Corolla. Now, there's so many body kits and so many styles of different Supras, but you know me, basically every car I get is gonna go to Downforce Solutions. We're gonna always create a one-on-one type of thing. So let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking about this move. I think I want to be the first YouTuber vlogger that's not a millionaire that will be able to get all three of the GR Corolla collection, and that will help with branding, marketing, you know, revenue, because you know I need to make money on this channel to get to another level, and I believe in it. That's why I wear this Lamborghini hat. Shout out to Newport Beach, but I wear this Lamborghini hat because, you know, that's a goal of mine. I really would love to own a Lamborghini before I leave Earth. So yeah, so you know, just it's like to manifest and touch. You gotta touch certain things to be able to manifest it and own it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm very big on manifestation and speaking things into existence. But yeah, like I said, I'm thinking about getting rid of the Mustang. Get rid of that Mustang. Stack up a little bit, a little extra, and then within like probably like 5-6 months, we'll get a Supra. And then Supras, the value, they actually kind of going lower on price from what I've seen. So, and then we can get a Supra to the channel, fix that up, and then get the GR Corolla, get that up, and then after I achieve these cars, then the GR Corolla would be like beneficial too, because like say if I have a family or whatever, I have a family car where I can have kids and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's just moving smarter, and then eventually by even hopefully bringing a Supra to the channel will just really increase the revenue to my channel of making money, where I can be able to do some more crazier shit. Like I really want to do crazy stuff, and we're gonna do it. This year I gotta touch 100,000 subscribers. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I ain't got that much time in this whole year, but that's the goal, and we're gonna get there though. But I definitely appreciate you guys. I'm gonna end the video off here, and then once I get to Downforce Solutions, it's gonna be the next video. So tomorrow I'm gonna upload the video that I'm about to record today as we go up to Downforce Solutions. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. I definitely appreciate that, and yeah, just keep chasing your dreams as well. And like I said, I appreciate you guys showing love and support. We out, gang.